The start-stop system can help improve fuel economy by turning the engine off temporarily when the vehicle is stopped. The start-stop system is activated when the ignition is switched on. The system can be turned off and back on manually by pressing the button above the selector lever in the center console. The LED button is illuminated when the system is off. Certain requirements must be met for the system to operate. The driver's door and the hood must be closed. The transmission must be in park, neutral, or drive. The steering wheel must not be turning, and a trailer must not be hitched to the vehicle. With all criteria satisfied, the system will operate as designed. When stopping, press and hold the brake pedal. The start-stop indicator light appears in the instrument cluster once the engine has shut off. The engine may restart at any time to satisfy system power needs. When the driver's foot is lifted from the brake, or if the steering wheel is turned, the engine will restart. The engine can also shut off automatically when the vehicle is coasting. This may occur while in the D driving mode and the foot is lifted from the accelerator pedal. This can also occur when adaptive cruise control is active. If the start-stop system has turned off the engine and the driver unfastens the seatbelt and opens the driver door, the engine will remain off and the electronic parking brake will engage. If the driver's door is then closed and the seatbelt refastened, the engine will restart and the parking brake will release when the accelerator is depressed. Various conditions can affect whether the system activates, such as exterior temperature, interior temperature, inclines, elevation, engine temperature, and battery charge, for example. Multiple short stops may result in temporary deactivation until the system is ready again.